Hello there. I'm doing a really quick, unrehearsed tech talk here. Apologize for the mess. There's probably going to be background noises and who knows what else. But I just took something out of a box that just baffled me enough that I wanted to make a quick one of these to show off a little bit. The point of it is not necessarily something related to coyote tuning, whatever. It's just a product that applies to a lot of automotive uses that baffles me. I did it before on the Scudo SC7 wallet, which I hope a lot of you have checked out, maybe even purchased. I'm actually going to be doing another one of those shortly on another Scudo. I'm just going to leave that there for now, see if George watches this to yell at me. So I'll talk about that another time. But what I want to talk about right now is Mountech. Now, this applies mostly to like the truck market, dash mounts, Broncos, stuff like that. There's a lot of known brands in that industry. A lot of them are cheap Chinese junk, but priced high. There's just not a lot of good solutions. So Matt Beenan over at Billet Industries got sick of selling his top-notch stuff with subpar mounts, so he decided that he was just going to make his own. Hold that thought. Don't try that at home. So, yes, mounts. So this is what I had in my truck. This is another brand. Carbon tubes, not too bad, but plastic ends, one-way articulation, really cheap hardware. It works, it's not that great. I have their mount here. This piece is actually pretty nice. It's a nice milled ball. But anyways, this is Mountech. So this is his version. It's made in the US, it's Billet. Not only is it stronger, it's got a single screw clamp here, whereas this has one on each end as well as most other brands. So it's spring loaded in the middle, so you're not going to have it like fall apart unless you really take it out all the way. We've got three-way articulation. Absolutely rock solid once you tighten it up. Pardon that bolt. That's fastens it to whatever you're attaching it to. So this is the phone mount, pretty similar to everybody else on the market. But one thing that I really like, which is on both the mount end, that mounts to whatever you're putting it on. This is a 2-hole one. I've got a 4-hole one here, a little bit stronger. So whether you're mounting on one of these base plates or an accessory, it's like a twist lock function. So you put it right in there, it can't move, it can't twist, it can't turn. You lock down the bolt and you are good to go. So it's threaded right to it. It's amazingly rock solid. The quality is just insane, which is why I decided to make this quick little video about it so you guys can go check it out. Doesn't compare to anything else on the market. I've pretty much tried all of them. This is what I run right now because it's been the best that I've found. Not anymore. This is amazing. You guys need to check it out. So, that's all I have for now. Thanks very much.